The Sahel, once a barren desert, but now a miracle unfolds. Greening the Sahel, restoring the Sahara, an African miracle.
Once deemed lost to severe drought, the Sahel region at the southern edge of the Sahara is showing extraordinary signs of ecological revival. Traditional wisdom, like Zai water harvesting pits and stone bunds, helps the parched soil retain precious moisture and stop erosion. By regenerating native tree roots hiding deep underground, local communities are bringing resilient green canopy back to life naturally. The African Union's Great Green Wall has evolved from a tree line into a massive ecosystem restoration across 11 nations. As soil moisture and surface water improve, farmers are harvesting crops again, boosting food security and local economies. Favorable seasonal rainfall combined with landscape management has triggered a green wave visible even from space. However, experts warn recovery isn't uniform. Conflict, climate instability, and funding gaps still pose massive challenges. The Sahara isn't fully turning green, but the Sahel proves that with nature and humanity united, hope can bloom in the driest places.